Hello, sir.
Hello, good morning. Good morning
Good
from
morning. How you
beautiful
doing?
Bangladesh.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes,
Nice, nice, nice. How's everything? How's your morning? Is it night or morning over there?
it's night here now. I hope there
Okay,
is
night.
now morning, right?
Yeah, it's 10:57 now.
So, are you ready to talk about the business?
Yes.
If you don't have any problem, then I would like to see also face to face.
I'm sorry.
I would like to see also your face.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay. Are you in New York?
All right.
Are you in New York?
Am I in New York?
No, I'm asking you whether you are in New York or in any other cities.
I am in Florida, Miami.
Oh, I see.
Can you
Hi.
see me?
Yes, nice
How
to
you
meet
doing?
you.
Nice to see you. All right. So last time I spoke to you, you did my flyer for me in the door hanger. Thank you. Thank you again. It
It's
looks
my
beautiful.
pleasure.
Okay. And then you also told me you do what was it? The web what did we speak about again? I'm sorry.
I was telling you to design a website for your company. As a startup company, if we have a website, then it's good to promote our products or services or to increase our brand awareness. And as well, if we do digital marketing, such as social media marketing through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn, then it will help us to grow our business pretty fast.
Okay. So what can you guys do for me when it comes to brand awareness? Like can you guys run ads? Can you guys make a website for me? Can you make a logo for me? Can you have a nice internet presence?
Yes, of course. If you need any logo design or any type of branding designs, then I can help you. Actually, I have been working with my a lot of teams, and they can help you. And of course, I can take the responsibility to help you to design your brand designs as well. I can design a website, then I can promote your website wherever you want. If you want to promote in your local area, then it's really possible to promote. And if you want to promote it in worldwide, then it's also possible.
Okay. So where would you suggest that we start to build the brand awareness and the other thing?
If you want to increase your brand awareness, then first of all, we would like to suggest you about creating a Facebook page. If you create a business page, then first of all, optimize the Facebook page professionally. Then after that, we can focus on specific areas. Then we can increase our brand awareness. And
Okay, so what I'm
if
sorry?
you want to see the proof, how can I grow your brand awareness? Then I can show you through screen sharing.
Okay, so what do you need from me first to start?
Well, to start the brand awareness, as I have told or as I have mentioned to you about creating a Facebook business page, then I can create from my part also from my Facebook account also. Then I can make you admin. Then from that uh, you can also work from your page. And another
Hmm.
option is you can also create Facebook business page, then you can make also me admin. So this both parts are available, so you can choose anyone. If you want to work with me for long period of the time, then I can create a Facebook business page for you. Then I can optimize it for you. Then usually it depends on two categories. One is organic marketing and another is paid marketing. If you want to run your Facebook business page and if you want to increase the brand awareness, then you need to make it, of course, paid marketing for targeting a lot of areas or a lot of peoples. But if you target organically, that means without payment, then it will take a lot of time. It may take 15 days or 30 days or more time, but it will not create any real value. But for brand awareness, I think you should spend some money. Okay.
Okay, okay, that sounds good. So can we start with you creating the Facebook page for me, the logo, and the website design?
Yes, of course. Website design is also created with two platforms. One is with coding and programming, and another is with WordPress web design. I can show you my one website which I have designed with a WordPress website. Then you can choose whether you like this platform through WordPress, or you can choose another platform which is coding and programming. Coding and programming website is comparatively higher price, and the WordPress website is comparatively lower price. So I would like to show you. If you permit me, then I can show my website which I made with WordPress. Can I show you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
This is my personal website. Here you can get my details, what exactly I do. So this website is totally made with WordPress, and WordPress is called Content Management Systems Open Platform.
Can you send me the link to your website, please?
The website link should be in nokrek.net. And I
Okay.
can show you also another website which I run usually. This is the website which I run also. So your main business is about painting, right?
Yes. For
So
now, I just want to focus on the painting, but I have multiple other businesses that we can do business down the line with.
So do you want to sell also products in your website?
My website?
Yeah, do you want to sell also some painting or any other products in your website?
I don't have a website yet. Do you need me to what do you need me to do?
I'm asking you that if I make you a website, then do you want to
Yes.
sell your products in your website?
Oh no. Maybe no, no, we're not selling products.
That means you want to just showcase it, right?
I'm sorry?
Uh, yeah, you just want to showcase it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So usually for showcasing a website through your some paintings than any other products, um, that would cost approximately 200 to $300 for making a website. Initially, for that you need to also purchase domain hosting. Domain hosting means where the website will virtually store. So for that you need to purchase domain hosting, and then you can provide me the details. Then I can work on that for making a website. So
Okay.
initially we can start with Facebook marketing. That means initially we can create a Facebook business page, and then we can initially start with this. Okay.
Okay.
So I can show you another Facebook page by which I am also working globally. So I would like to show you that another page. Can you see the Facebook page?
Yes.
This is a Facebook page named Nokrek IT Institute. I run this Nokrek IT Institute, and I monitor this page also. Here we can see we have here almost 40,000. That means 38. and 806 people like this page. That means a lot of people are engaged here, and people are taking service from worldwide, especially from 20 other countries also taking service from here. So this is because of Facebook paid marketing. So we can create first of all logo like this for your business. Then we can create such kind of banners, beautiful banners. Then we can create contents for brand awareness of your painting business. Then initially we can grow followers. Then gradually we can post contents. Then people will engage and people will get to know about your business. Okay.
Okay.
So for that you need a specific budget. So let's discuss about the budget.
So my budget for the brand awareness.
Yes, yes. If you want to start first about Facebook page business creation, then Facebook page promotion, then creating brand awareness through Facebook page. As we know that now 68% Americans are using Facebook, and most of the Americans stay now in Facebook. So it seems that Facebook can potentially reach people, and Facebook can engage potential customers or create brand awareness. So for that, I am suggesting you to create first Facebook business page. Then we can start from this. And for that, if you want to target specific areas, such as if you want to specifically target Newark or any other city, so may I know which city you want to focus specially?
South Florida, the Tri County. So West Palm Beach, Broward County, and Miami.
Miami and South Florida.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So if you want to do paid marketing, initially it may cost 200 to $300 monthly basis.
Um, and how much of is that is going towards ads?
Uh, the ads may cover Florida and then Miami and engage the peoples. And if we spend 200 to $300, for $100, it may engage 5,000 to 10,000 people. They may follow your page. Then gradually, if we spend like this, then it will grow gradually.
Right. Okay. This sounds reasonable.
So when can we get started this work?
As soon as possible. Like I said, can we start with the logo, the website, and so yeah. So let's start with the logo and the website, and then we go to Facebook, and then we start doing the ads.
Okay, fine. So for logo design, what should be the logo name?
The logo, but the name of the company is Imported Paint Professional Services.
Imported Paint Professional Services.
Correct.
Do you want to add any icon?
A painting icon.
Painting icon. Then painting
Like a
icon,
painting
then
brush or a
imported
logo.
paint professionals. Then is there any uh, tagline? That means slogan.
Slogan. Yes, where we paint your house like our own.
We paint your house.
Where we paint your house like our own.
I see. Okay, well, so within 2 or 3 days, I can show you the logo design. And then after that, we can discuss about also a website again. And if we work outside the Fiverr, then it seems both of we will be benefited because Fiverr charges 20% commission. Though Fiverr doesn't support contacting buyers outside the Fiverr, but I am contacting you in a risk. So don't let the Fiverr know that I am contacting you outside the Fiverr. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So initially, I'm going to design a logo for you. Then I will talk to you again about website. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
Well, is there anything else then?
Nope, that's good for now. If you need anything from me, please shoot me a message and I'll send you whatever you need.
So, shall I message through Fiverr or directly in your mail as you have provided me a mail also?
Fiverr is okay. WhatsApp is fine.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
Can you provide me your phone number so that I can contact you directly through WhatsApp?
754.
Okay, please wait a moment. Do I need to add country code?
Just no, I don't think so.
Okay, then 7
5 4
5
4
4
2 4 6
2 4 6
6
6
1 2 6 9
1 2
6 9.
6 9. Okay, let me tell you once again. 754 2466 1269. Is it okay?
No, just 1 6.
1 6. Okay. Okay, then I will contact you through WhatsApp whenever I need you to discuss about the logo, websites, and any other things. Okay. So it's
Okay.
really nice to talk to you. I have really enjoyed this conversation and meeting. So see you again then. Take care. See you. Bye bye. Have a good day.
All
Bye.
right. All right. Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.